In their hundreds, they race towards the water. None wants to miss the annual orgy. In order not to freeze to death, the frogs must move in the daylight. Their skins have a built-in sunscreen. Ultraviolet radiation at this altitude is powerful. Just above freezing in here, quite agreeable. But in the shallows over dark peat, the water is lukewarm, the perfect spot to spawn. The males ride piggyback on the larger females, eager to fertilize the spawn as it's released into the water. The orgy lasts 3 or 4 days. Some males embrace their partners in autumn and cling to them all winter until this super productive spring event.